Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do my siding, vinyl siding washing. I'm going to show you two products which I have right here. I have one which is 30-second outdoor cleaning, and other product is mold armor. Okay, both of them has a high review when I checked in YouTube. Also I have a pressure washer just in case. So if you look at my siding, see, I just tried it with the 30-second. Within a couple of seconds it's already clean. I don't know if you can see it's dirty, very dirty up there, and I just cleaned it right here with the 30 seconds, and you can see the result already. So I'm going to give you my personal opinion, my real opinion on which product is really good. This is $10 and this one was $11. Okay, this I got it from Home Depot. This is from Lowe's. So I have a 30-second outdoor cleaning in 1 gallon. I think the only reason I bought it because when I connect the hose in this setup, it would not reach all the way up there unless if I have like a big ladder, which I don't have it. I only have the small ladder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a soap container, this liquid in a soap container of my pressure wash, and I'm just gonna use just soap side. I'm not gonna really pressure wash it, okay, just to reach up there with the half side to the right with the 30-second, and going to the other side you're gonna do with the easy armor. Okay, armor mold. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm gonna put some in my pressure washer. I'm gonna try to reach all the way up there. So I just used my power washer to get there. I don't know if I really got in there, but let's see. Let's wait. I just finished it, so let's wait maybe 5 minutes to see if I see any difference. If not, I'm gonna go up there one more time and then I'm gonna apply it again. Okay, next I'm going to do is I'm gonna try the second one, which is the mold armor. I connected to the garden hose, and I'm just going to clean here. So if you look at it from my meter to this side, I'm going to use the armor. Okay, so let's find out how good this armor thing is. Applied it, and let's wait 5 minutes and see the difference. Okay, so my first impression on the product mold armor, I tried it here. It kind of cleaned it, but not as good as if you look at here the 30 seconds one. Okay, but it clean, it will work, but I'm not that satisfied as the 30-second one. So my favorite choice to clean the house will be this one, 30-second outdoor cleaner. You can connect your garden hose to it, and if you want to try it, if you want to refill it, both of them, this is actually $11 and this is actually $10 in Home Depot, but I will put the link in Amazon, so you can, if you want to buy from Amazon, it's fine. So I bought this one so that I can put in my pressure washer to use the soap, so that I can reach over there. I still have to clean it, so I'm gonna continue cleaning it and then gonna to show you the final result. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my soft wash, or you can call it as a house wash, vinyl siding wash. I'm so happy with this product, man. Come on, 30 seconds cleaner, unbelievable product, and I never thought that I will be this satisfied and I will get this thing clean. Less than in an hour I finished it. And like I said, last year and the year before I did the power washing. You know what, it took me like almost like 3-4 hours and waste of water. Last year I couldn't clean up there, over there I couldn't clean it, but now it's all clean, it's all look brand new. Amazing, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. I'm pretty sure right now the spring is here, and then a lot of people want to wash their home, so this will be helpful for them. So share it with your friends and family. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, I forgot to mention, this one is biodegradable, so I won't have any issue with my bushes there. And this is bleach based, but still it won't affect my bushes or any greenery that I have. So thanks for watching again. I will be coming with another beautiful video. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye bye.